A murder suspect, a stolen car, and one of the wildest pursuits in LA history. The passenger, Michael Godwin, a man wanted for homicide, refuses to surrender. March 3, 2023. A simple traffic stop turns into a high-speed nightmare. Michael Godwin, a man wanted for homicide, refuses to surrender. Then, the unthinkable, Godwin hangs out the window and opens fire on the police. Bullets striking squad cars. Innocent motorists caught in the crossfire. Officers show incredible restraint, not returning fire while on the move.
Guys, this is not good. This is not good. About 40 miles per hour, we see the passenger reaching out several times, shooting a weapon. He has a handgun. Thank you, Patrick. Now, it sounds like Downey PD may be the primary agency right now. I'm listening to LA County Sheriffs. This is a murder suspect, guys. This is an alleged murder suspect, according to Downey PD. Oh, man. Westbound Bandini from Atlantic. I got IFB right now. I got you, Tim. Patrick, get me on the passenger side when you can. Passenger side, since he's the one who's shooting. Passenger side. Thank you, Patrick. Talk to me right now, guys. Talk to me. Yeah. Guys, I can hear everybody. Talk to me. I'm not keying down and talking to you guys. Patrick, you got to slow me down to some of these maneuvers here. Patrick, slow me down to some of these maneuvers. We're being a little too abrupt here. You're doing awesome, though. You're doing awesome. Thank you for getting me on this side here. Hold on, guys. We're maneuvering. Talk to me, people. Everybody talk to me. I'm listening to everybody. Booth, I don't hear anybody. Yes, go for it. Go for it. I've been talking to you. Let's go. Let's break it. Well, this is the first I've heard you, so I'm with you. Let's do it. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on. There's a suspect right there. You can see that person is armed with a weapon. There he is, shooting at officers right there. Shots fired, shots fired. Oh my God. Patrick, get me closer, get me closer. Shots fired right now. Officers are shooting at the vehicle right now. Shots fired right there, shots fired. Going, keep going. You can see officers are shooting at that vehicle right now.
The chase finally ends in a tense, 2-hour standoff. The driver surrenders. But Godwin remains inside, armed and desperate. It all leads to a final, tragic shootout. Godwin is struck and pronounced deceased later. This is the reality of the streets. And we cover every single second. For the latest live pursuit updates, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss the next breaking chase.